So what is it about images like this that they say that we can't handle or see? Why is it that institutions like the Smithsonian, that we're paying $60 million a day to supposedly record our history, are the people that are behind taking it away, like I'm proving it to you? I brought you the receipts. I showed you to the Smithsonian as being paid to hide your history. So please, see this picture right here? They said it's not possible. Their minds cannot accept that this image is real. Why should what the truth of human history be governed by what these people's imagination can allow, and who are these people? That's the question. So please, do you see this image? They said for 5 years now, at least, they've said it can't be real. They said that Charles made that up. They said that Charles used Photoshop. He used some other kind. Now that they say I used AI to apply petroglyphs to land, to apply hieroglyphics to land. And that's not what happened, because they're on a drone video. It's going to start here in a second, and it's going to tell you specifically and show you that this is real. Check that out. Now you're flying over ancient civilization. Now you are seeing the truth, that an image like that, that seems fantastic to some people, it's not too fantastic for the truth. And that's why I need your support. Come over to Human Origins Revealed. Please like and share this video right now. Please subscribe to our account. We are trying to rescue a real ancient civilization site in North America where they were worshiping Sumerian gods like Enki. Yes, the god that was recorded in books in tablets far older than the Bible, that created humans. We were not children created in the way that they said. These ancient beings, as it's recorded in Sumerian history, they created us as slaves. And listen, they went against God's will to do it. They went against Enki to do it. And these people here were worshiping this system. And ever since then, you have been enslaved. Please come over to Human Origins Revealed and subscribe to us on YouTube. We are bringing all the scientific evidence of this ancient civilization. And stick around, because at the end of this video, you see these beautiful images? Can you see that it is as simple as I show you in the picture right there, that it is real? And listen, at the end of the video, we're going to show you some Lidar. Some Lidar images of ancient ceremony mounds, ancient cemetery mounds that are right here in North America, that we have the soil data, we have the artifacts that prove that they came from 20,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. There's absolute zero chance. This is way older than the Bible. This predates Mesopotamia. They did not want you to know how much of the Garden of Eden or creation of Adam and Eve down to Noah's Ark, and as you know, the wood that only exists in Florida here in America. This is just more evidence. You said you wanted hard evidence. You said you wanted receipts. Well, you're flying over it right now, and at the end, you're going to fly over. We're going to segue this video to another area of this site. We're going to go east of this. We're going to show you some mounds. We want you to see those. When you see those mounds, oh boy, and then I'm going to show you a Lidar image that proves to you they are not vegetation. Some of you said, man, that might be vegetation. Well, guess what? In this video, we're coming to YouTube to bring widescreen so everybody can see the truth and reality in 1080p. Please come share, come over to Human Origins Revealed. We're going to be there tonight. We're going to do a live tonight to follow this up. So come into the chat right now and let's talk about this. If you have questions, you want to know where and how, you want to know what types of evidence that we have, because the evidence we have is deep and thick, my friends. So I'm looking forward to seeing you tonight. For the first time, we're going to go live on YouTube and support this video. That it's here for your questions. We are going to cover all the information that pertains to what you see in this video tonight, and then by tomorrow that will release as a video to go with it. So I need your support. We're trying to save an ancient civilization site on the east coast of North America, and I need you to help me by raising awareness. I'm going to work hard over the next 30 days here on YouTube, bring you more scientific information, more videos of the artifacts, more drone, more Lidar. Now it's on you. If you found ancient civilization, would you leave it behind, or would you help me save it? And now the ball's in your court. Share it now. Subscribe now. Doesn't cost you a dime. Come over and see us at Human Origins Revealed. We're coming out to every application. Grateful for your time. I look forward to seeing you out in the field. We'll be in Delaware in October, the 18th through the 21st. We will be live collecting ancient history of the true original people of North America. I dare you to come.